Hello friends, I'm really excited today because I want to teach English with Inside Out.
School was great, all right?
What was that? I thought you said we were gonna act casual.
Riley, is everything okay?
Sir, she just rolled her eyes at us.
All right, make a show of force.
Riley, I do not like this new attitude.
Oh, I'll show you attitude, old man.
No, breathe.
What is your problem? Just leave me alone.
Inside Out is an American comedy film produced by Pixar Animation Studios and released by Walt Disney Pictures in 2015. Growing up can be a bumpy road, and it's no exception for Riley, who is uprooted from her Midwest life when her father starts a new job in San Francisco. Like all of us, Riley is guided by her emotions: joy, fear, anger, disgust, and sadness. Hello guys! The emotions live in headquarters, the control center inside Riley's mind, where they help advise her through everyday life. As Riley and her emotions struggle to adjust to a new life in San Francisco, turmoil ensues in headquarters. Although joy, Riley's main and most important emotion, tries to keep things positive, the emotions conflict on how best to navigate a new city, house, and school. Did you know that you can watch this animated film on Zabanshenas app? You just need to click on Zoom, go through the movies, and here is Inside Out. Now let's watch a short part of the film, and as usual, we'll go for the new vocabulary and expressions.
I can't believe Mom and Dad moved us here.
Look, I get it. You guys have concerns, but we've been through worse. Look, we all have our off days, you know.
Hi, honey. I guess all I really want to say is thank you.
Huh?
You know, through all this confusion, you've stayed our happy girl. Your dad's under a lot of pressure. But if you and I can keep smiling, it would be a big help. We can do that for him, right?
Well, you can't argue with Mom. Happy it is.
Team
happy. Sounds great.
Totally behind you, Joy.
Looks like we're going into REM. I've got dream duties.
Now I'm totally ready to explain the new things. What about you? Are you ready?
I get it. You guys have concerns. I get it. You guys have concerns.
Concern means worry or anxiety. Here we have you have concerns. It means you have things to be worried about.
But we've been through worse.
Say we've been through worse when you want to calm someone, and say we've been in rougher situations before.
We all have our off days.
Off as an adjective means unsatisfactory. Joy says we have our off days. We have our unpleasant, unwelcome, and totally bad days in our lives. Okay friends, I gotta go, but if you want to watch the full version of this video, it's on Zabanshenas app. There you can learn more vocabulary and expressions. Well, Inside Out is really wonderful and thought-provoking. I was on the edge of my seat the whole time I was watching this film. Have you watched it before? How did you like it?